Hello, today we will be making colorful tie-dye effect on canvas shoes. You will need canvas white shoes, rubbing alcohol, a syringe, paintbrush, markers, Vaseline or tape, and fabric Mod Podge. First, brush Vaseline onto the rubber part of the outsole. If you don't have Vaseline, you can also use tape to cover the outsoles. This will protect the color from bleeding later. Now, you're going to start coloring all over the shoe. I kind of did a starburst pattern, or you could do swirls, rainbows, or create your own pattern. This process will take a couple of hours. Once you colored your shoe, you will take the rubbing alcohol along with the syringe and apply the alcohol all over the shoe. This is where the Vaseline can prevent the color from running onto the outsoles. The alcohol has a very strong odor, so it's advisable for you to put on a mask. Let the alcohol dry before the next step. At this point, you can wipe off the Vaseline or remove the tape from the outsole. Lastly, apply fabric Mod Podge to seal in all the colors. This will prevent the colors from running when wet and in the rain. I did 2 coats. Remember to use fabric Mod Podge as this is made specifically for fabric usage. Once dried, this will give you a glossy top coat. This is the end product. It's super colorful and fun to wear. Thank you for watching. Bye.